Hello everyone. Welcome to our weekly learning series from the book of Peter Drucker. Here we are with week 44 and the title is Live Your Purpose. Yeah. Let's imagine a pill. A pill that would reduce your cognitive disability by 50%, reduce strokes by 40%, improve your quality of sleep, add 7 years to your life, predict success, bring happiness, and so on. Imagine a pill like that. How much would you like to pay for that pill? Well, that pill is free. Yes, that pill is free. It's called purpose. Purpose of your life. Yeah. The neuroscience lab now itself is making evident that we all need a reason to get up every morning. Yeah. As per one of the research, there is only 1 out of 3 people has a clear reason to get up next morning. Yes, 1 out of 3. So, see the person on your left side, see the person on your right side. Observe if they had a reason to get up this morning. Are they looking pretty good? If yes, then are you that one person? This reminds me of a beautiful poem by famous Nobel Prize winner Mr. Rabindranath Tagore, and I would like to share with all of you here. Spring is past, summer has gone, and winter is here. The song which I meant to sing remain unsung, for I spent my days stringing and unstringing my instrument. That poem was written for a person whose heart filled with regret over life half lived. That poem was written for a person who postponed his life. That man always wanted to do something big, wanted to contribute to the world, wanted to be loving, wanted to travel, wanted to explore the world. But he got busy being busy. Are you being busy being busy? Are you too busy stringing your instrument that the song your life was meant to sing has died or remained dormant within you? Moving on, the purpose of life is a fundamental to our existence. Your life purpose consists of central motivating aims of your life. As we discussed, it is the reason we get up every morning. Purpose can guide your life decisions, influence behaviors, shape goals, provide sense of directions, create meaning, and so on. Let me share you an interesting fact. Amazon refers 1,51,928 books showing how you can learn your life purpose. Isn't that funny? Yeah. Are you excited to learn your life purpose here, right now? Yes. So let's do it together. You will need a paper and pencil and think about your favorite character, actor, real or fictional, doesn't matter. That person would need to answer these following 2 questions. And the first is, if you were something in nature, what would it be? And your answer should start, I would be a. And remember, your favorite person is answering that question. And answer can be anything, mountain, river, tree, and so on. Yeah. Moving on to second question. What does this thing in nature contribute? And your answer should start from, its biggest contribution is to, whatever 1 or 2 line you want to mention about the way your hero, your actor would describe it. Yeah. So once you are done, write down I am and bring your answer to the second question here. So it would be I am and answer of second question and then connect it. This is your life purpose or something very, very closer to that. Read it, think over it, feel it. Yes, read it again, feel it again, and if required, reword it. So, as the next step, when you go to bed every night, think about your life purpose, visualize it, and I can promise you, you would start seeing differences in the perspectives of your life. So, as a way forward, like Oprah Winfrey said, there is no greater gift you can give or receive than to honor your calling. Remember, your life has a purpose, your story is important, your dream counts, your voice matters. You are born to make an impact. Get up, explore, jump, get going. Live your life, live your purpose. Here is wishing you all the best. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. We'll see you in the next week with another Business Weekly Bite. Till then, stay safe, take care and happy learning.